Now that I've created all my offset planes that I need to create the sketches for the loft in, first I'm going to turn their visibility off, and next I'm going to create the first sketch. So I'm going to select the front plane, create a sketch in it, and I'll look normal too. I'm going to create a center point rectangle. Then I'm going to use my mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension, and I'll dimension this 2.5 inches. From the bottom up will be 1/8. This side is 1 3/4. And push escape to stop dimensioning. Then I'm going to add the relationship between the rectangle center and the origin of vertical. And this sketch is fully defined, so I'll right click and exit the sketch. I don't want to see this when I make my next sketch, so I'm just going to come over here in the feature tree and I'm going to hide it. So the next sketch is another rectangle, this time in the 3" from front plane, so I'm going to select it and activate sketch. Once again, I'm going to create a center point rectangle over here. Use my mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension. This one from the base up is 3/8. This distance is 2 inches. And this distance is 1 1/4. I'll push escape and I'll select the center, hold control, select the origin, release control, and make those vertical as well. Right click to exit the sketch. And once again, I don't want to see it, so I'm going to come over here and hide the sketch. Next, I want to sketch in the 5 from front plane, so I'm going to select it, activate sketch. I'm going to use my mouse gestures to activate circle, and I want a circle coincident with this edge and in line with the center, so I'm going to click here, move out and click to create it. Use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension. I'll make the circle diameter 1 1/4, push escape, and I'll select the center, select the origin, make those vertical, and then it's not fully defined because I don't have it on this part edge. So I'm going to select that part edge. I missed it. I'm going to try again. Just move over here. Try one more time. I'll get that part edge. Now that I have it, select it. I'm going to hold control, select the origin, release control, and make those coincident. Now because I'm creating a loft, each sketch of the loft must have the same number of entities on it. So he's going to have us split this circle into 4 entities. However, a circle has an infinite number of entities and should work fine in the loft. But I do want to demonstrate this, so I'm going to use the split entities command next. So the split entities isn't part of the normal ribbon bar. I'm going to come up here to the drop-down menu, select Tools, come down to Sketch Tools, and then I'm going to find the split entities, which is here. I'm going to activate split entities, and I'm going to click on my circle 4 times and push escape, and now I've split it into 4 entities. I'm going to select this split point, hold control, select this one. I'll make these horizontal, and then I'll make these 2 vertical, and again these 2 here will also be vertical, and this one will be horizontal. Then I'll activate Smart Dimension and dimension the distance from here to here at 1 inch. My sketch is fully defined. I'm going to push escape. I'll right click to exit that sketch. For the final sketch, I want to convert this sketch, so I'm going to leave its visibility on. I'm going to select my 3rd plane here, the 6 from front, tell I want to make a sketch in it. I'll select Convert Entities. I'm going to expand the feature tree and tell I want to convert this entire sketch. It's converted. I'll say OK. I'll right click, exit the sketch. I'm going to look at this isometrically, and now I'll turn the visibility of each sketch back on. I'm going to stop there, and in the next video we'll look at how to create the loft from these 4 sketches.